All right, y'all, so we in rain season here in the Yucatan, and you will start seeing these type of lightning shows. I am in my bedroom looking out here, enjoying this lightning show. God's work. It just started raining probably about 10 minutes ago. It's been looking like it's gonna rain all day, but it finally is coming down now. And it's nice and cool. This particular window, I have a screen, but I don't open up the screen and everything, and I'm just kind of enjoying this fresh air. But you can see here, you probably can't really see, but our pool is right down there below, but it's a little bit more of the lightning show. It is so beautiful, y'all. Last year, yes, what's going on? But last year, we were so amazed. Like, this would go on for hours and hours and hours throughout the night. Just this type of lightning, and it would last for a very long time. Like right now, it's just like little flashes. Yeah.
Lightning.
But yes.
So you can't. It's like you can see the lightning back in my room.
It would go on for a long time. So it's just now kicking up, y'all. It's just the beginning of June. This will go on for a few months. And it would do this last year like all the time, pretty much at the same time of night it would start. And it would go on all night long. Like you could just sit and watch it all night long. So there you see it. I mean, when I tell you it lights up the sky, it lights it up, y'all. And it's so beautiful. It feels so good outside. It's a nice cool rain.
We gotta have some good grass.
Yes, we about to finally have some grass, y'all. I'm gonna hold it down here so you can see how it lights up everything. You see that, right? Bless you. So complete dark, and you'll see. Like, this is not trickery. We're not flashing lights here. This is God's work. So we got some of our pool floaties and the pool ball that's done drifted up out of the pool. You see that, right? It lit up everything. Everything, y'all. It's so beautiful. Take a look at the sky. I love it. I love it. And the temperature has completely dropped. Like, right now it's cool. I would say it's probably about, I don't know, 90, maybe 90, 85. Okay, so the power just went out. It should come right back on. That's typically what happens when the power go out, but I don't know. This is a rainstorm with lightning, so it may not come right back up. But we in the dark right now, y'all. You don't need no air conditioner, so I'm not even really worried right now. Unfortunately, I was in the process of charging my phone, and I pulled it up off the charger so that I can record. So, yeah, that part. But that's all right, though. Oh, right back on. See how quickly that works? Everything came right back on. So we back up and running. Oh, we down again. That was quick. We back out again, y'all. Oh, we back. It's gone again, y'all. It just keep coming on and off. I think some of our neighbors have already grabbed their flashlights. So this may go on all night. I don't know. I guess we will see. But yes, we are without power for the moment. Okay, it's right back on. It's back on. You can see everybody's lights done come back on. Beautiful. I hear that rain. It's so peaceful. It is so peaceful. Look at that. Listen to that rainstorm, y'all. Oh. It smells so good. The rain smells so good and fresh. My neighbor looking out her window. They looking. They probably can see right all up in my window. I got the floor to ceiling window here. So you can literally see. Zoom out a little bit. My window here goes all the way. Boom. Look at it, y'all. So this right here is entertainment for me because we ain't got no TV and stuff right now. Y'all know we just moved here and it was semi-furnished, so we don't have a TV. I do have my work computer and of course our phones and stuff like that, but we haven't been watching no TV. So this right here is like my little action. Show y'all again. It's darkness. So it's dark. And God said, let there be light. Let there be light. Let me stop playing. Oh, look at that. Oh, there it is right there. There it is. Yeah, that was it. Jesus is real. Oh, look at that. Amazing view right there, y'all. The way the sky just lit up. It's almost like I'm taking a picture, right? Should I do it again? On the other side of the house. Yep. There you go. Awesome. Awesomeness. Yes. Well, guys, I'm going ahead, put my phone on the charger while I got some light. We seem to be looking pretty good now as far as the electricity goes for the moment. But I'm going to go ahead and put my phone on the charger just in case. So I'll holler at y'all later. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I just wanted to give y'all a little glimpse into my world right now. Here in Mexico, the Yucatan. Y'all don't forget, I got them good old consultations going on. You can get 35, I'm sorry, you can get 30 minutes for $25. And 1 hour for $45. Go ahead and book your consultations if you are planning to move, in the process to move, already here, or looking to vacation here in the Merída area. Give me a call. I am available at 999-155-6246. Yes. Again, that's 999-155-6246. I hope to hear from you soon. I'll be more than happy to help you guys with this relocation process, or as a vacation spot. Hit me up. Peace.